बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देसी टीवी यूएसए की स्पेशल रिपोर्ट के साथ मैं हूं दानिश मलिक। मारफानी फाउंडेशन यूएसए और ह्यूस्टन रॉयल ऑक्स लायंस क्लब की जानिब से जुमेरात 22 जून 2023 को पाकिस्तान में सैलाब मुतासरीन की इमदाद के लिए तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया। तकरीब में खुसूसी तौर पर अजहर अहमद PMJF लायंस के ज़िले गवर्नर लॉइन पालमोर और उनकी बीवी कैरन मोर और ह्यूस्टन रॉयल ऑक्स लायंस क्लब के तमाम बोर्ड और दिगर सरकर्दा अराकीन ने सैलाब मुतासरीन से यकजहती के लिए शिरकत की और पूरी टीम की अनथक कोशिशों पर इनको खिराज तहसीन पेश किया। मारफानी फाउंडेशन यूएसए की तरफ से पूरे पाकिस्तान में सैलाब मुतासरीन में अतिया करदा गर्म कपड़ों के 40 फीट FCL कंटेनर्स के 18 यूनिट्स की तरसील में लायंस इंटरनेशनल क्लब पाकिस्तान और अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान के कई 100 रजाकारों ने अहम किरदार अदा किया। तकरीब में सैलाब मुतासरीन की इमदाद में आला किरदार अदा करने पर लायंस में इनामात तकसीम किए गए। साथ साथ मोअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमान और ह्यूस्टन रॉयल ऑक्स लायंस क्लब के अहदेदारों ने यादाश्तों का तबादला भी किया। मारफानी फाउंडेशन यूएसए ने जुलाई 2023 में गर्म मलबूसात के 40 फीट FCL कंटेनर्स की 26 यूनिट्स के मजीद अतियात देने का भी ऐलान किया ताकि मौसम सरमा 2023 के आगाज से पहले पाकिस्तान के सैलाब ज़दगान और ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की मदद की जा सके। तकरीब में खिताब करते हुए पालमोर ने तमाम रजाकारों की हौसला अफजाई की। आखिर में तमाम रजाकारों और मोअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानों और लायंस के लिए लजीज खानों और मुख्तलिफ मशरूबात के साथ तवाज़ो की गई।
Let us start the event with the recitation of Holy Quran. I'll make the Quran recital very simple. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqima. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Amen. This is a blessing dua which God has given us, and this is for the blessing and guide us towards the right path. This is the bottom line of the prayer venue. I'll not take much time. I would like to thank you, everybody. Everybody came with a short notice, and I let everybody to speak and introduce themselves. They all are my scholars. Whenever I call anybody, they are here. Our governor was very kind enough to come all the way, very far, to say you send off, to meet you and thank you. So, thank you very much, Mrs. Thank you. And everybody from that and our community. Everybody, they all are big people, much bigger than me. So, let them introduce. I will allow, first of all, our governor to speak about his comments, his feelings, whatever you think. And he is here. So, mic is in your hand. I will not waste time and not talk too much. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Paul Moore. I am the governor of District 2S2. I'm from the Woodlands. So we're in for North Houston, coming to Southwest Houston to meet some great people who are doing great things. And even someone from Pakistan who's helping to do the great things in coordination with some of the Lions. I can't tell you how impressed I am with the things that this man has achieved. As he says, he can do nothing without the support of all the people here, and I understand that because that's how leaders are. We can help to drive things, but we can't do things without the people that surround us. So I'm proud of you. I'm proud of everyone here for doing the things that they have done. I would like to take just a brief moment to
One sec.
ask. I want to give a few things to our guests. First thing I want to do is I want to bring some pins for Multiple District 2 Texas. This pin is for. I want to just explain briefly. The pin has got 16 hands on it because there's 16 districts in Texas. Okay? that each hand represents service because our council very much believe that lions are here to serve. So each hand represents one of the different districts. We're all working together to provide service to Texas. So I would like to present that to you in particular, and I would like to give you some extra pins to take back to the lions in Pakistan that you feel have done the most to help with this project.
Wonderful,
So,
thanks.
next thing I'd like to give you is, I see you're wearing the pin from my successor next year's governor. So I would like to present you with my pin. My theme for this year was find yourself in service, because that's what happened to me when I became a lion. I started serving other people, and I found my true calling. Mahatma Gandhi once said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And I think that's what lions do, is we find ways of helping others. So again, I want to present you with some extra pins to take back to Pakistan
Wonderful, thanks.
and to reward those people who have been doing the most service for you. The third thing I'd like to give you is just a fun thing. This was,
Engagement ring.
no, that's not fun. It's just that when I was a kid growing up, we called them wooden nickels. But it's got a Lions Club emblem on one side, and it's got our state theme, which is Team Texas Serves. 2022, 2023, multiple District 2 governors. So this is a coin or just a little keepsake from our Council of Governors that I'd like to present you.
Wonderful,
So
thanks.
that's just as a token of friendship.
I think it's okay. It will be okay.
Now we're.
Assam sir, please. Yeah.
David has the first.
What do you want to say?
This is our club pin, 957.
I just said it here.
Oh, great. Yeah, photo ke lo.
I'm very honored. Thank you very much.
This gentleman is running after me. I want to charge him under the table to become a lion member. He said, I'll have to do everything legal. So, he's a PJ Swati. He's from our far flung Pakistan area. He will introduce himself. He came late, so I will let him introduce. And all other. So, most of our people are going to be lion.
Okay, great.
And that is the main purpose, so that we can send lion to get more.
So, with that in mind, the great thing about lions is no matter where you go in the world, if you've got your lion's pin on, it means something. When you walk, when I was in Guatemala, I was in Antigua, Guatemala. We walked out of our hotel room, and the next building over was a lion's den. We walked in, we got invited to a meeting, we met the lions of Antigua, Guatemala. We were in Ambergris Key in the Belize, walking down the street, and there's a lion's den. And the great thing about it, anytime you meet lions, you're meeting good people, because you're meeting people that have service in their heart. And that's the special thing to me about lions, is it doesn't matter where I go. When I was in governor school, I had governors from the UK. I had governors from India. I had governors from the Ukraine. I had governors from Africa. And all of us had the same thing in common, and that was we had service in our hearts. And we were in the position we were in. That meant was I didn't serve 1,500 lions on a daily basis anymore. Texas has 22,000 lions.
Oh, great.
So, as vice council chair, I was somewhat responsible for helping all the other governors and making sure that our multiple district served the 22,000 lions of Texas. I was honored when Lion Mahmoud asked me to come and meet to discuss this project with them. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the approval to do everything, and I'm so happy that that didn't slow him down and that he found the community he needed to help make that work. And he helped
This man also, okay? I'll introduce him.
and he found the lions in Pakistan to help make this work. That is truly a success story, because it was the community coming together with lions, coming together with more lions, and service was the result. The people of Pakistan were the beneficiary of the work that you and you and you
Everybody.
helped provide. So thank you for your part in all of this. Thank you for having a heart of a lion and having service as something that you see as the important part of being a human being. So thank you very much.
I'll let him speak later on, once we are having something in the side and we can be free to each other. Before going to any more detail, I'll invite our honored guest, Lion Izar Ahmed, the chief torch bearer in Pakistan. Without him and his team, the project we took for 18 containers, 40-foot containers, full loaded with warm clothing. And I was here with my team, and I was wondering how I can reach to those flood victims. And he will explain, I will not speak on his behalf. But he took the challenge, and in every distribution, whether it is this part of the country, say North Kashmir, Pakistan to Quetta, everywhere he is there. He is reaching everywhere. We have about how many people, lions, about more than 8,000 lion volunteers and more than 100,000 volunteers from Al-Qaeda. They both have, memo of understanding, and they are working neck to neck and hand to hand with them. And they make it happen. 18 containers distributed, like, for me, it's a piece of cake. But it needs a lot of efforts to receive the containers, to pay the local expenses, to store them, to pay the local expenses, arrange the sorting, arrange the distribution. They go to every family in the specific area we are distributing and reach the family before 3 days of distribution. They take every data that how many family members are there. When I'm buying grocery and to putting it back at home, I'm tired, man. It's my wife's job. She pick everything where to put, and sometimes I pick some wrong things. So thank you very much, sir. Now we have a lot of things to do with you, so don't relax and speak everything. Whatever you think I can explain. But these are our family, and these all are standing with me. Not here in only USA. These people are in Pakistan. This is in Pakistan. He is in Pakistan. He is in Pakistan. He is in Pakistan. So not only in Houston or in USA, they have deep-rooted connections, powers, money in Pakistan. Okay? आप बोले आराम से बैठ के बोले.
हमारे पाकिस्तान की मेजबान की उर्दू में चाहूँगा तो
He will speak in local language and I'll try to explain.
सबसे पहले तो मैं मारफानी साहब का शुक्रिया करता हूँ, इतना अच्छा माशाल्लाह इवेंट इन्होंने यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। तो सबसे पहले जब वहाँ पे फ्लड आया तो पाकिस्तान में हमारे लाइन क्लब लाहौर, उस लाइन क्लब, इसके अलावा जितने पाकिस्तान में क्लब थे उन्होंने अपना अपना काम किया कि भी हम जो है यहाँ पे काम करें, लेकिन वो बहुत कम महसूस मुझे हुआ कि कम हुआ है ना जितनी वहाँ पे दबाकारी हुई है। तो मैंने वहाँ यहाँ रब्ता किया, यहाँ पे हमारे दमाग रहते हैं अदील अशरफ हाशमी, मैंने कहा कि हमें कोई सीनियर लाइन मेंबर जो है ना वो हमें मिलाया जाए फौरी तौर पर। तो उन्होंने मारफानी साहब से कनेक्ट किया। 2 दिन के बाद इनका मुझे फोन आया, कहने ज़ार भाई बताएं। मैंने कहा कि इसके ऐसे हमें जो है ना चाहिए इस्लाम में लग गए। इन्होंने कहा 2 कंटेनर में फौरी तौर पे 40 फुट के जो है ना, जिसमें गर्म कपड़े, जैकेट, स्वेटर, कमर जो मैं भेज रहा हूँ। तो मैं तो मेरे तो खुशी की इंतजार है, मैं फिर फौरन ही इनका राब्ता, क्योंकि इन्होंने कहा भेज रहे हैं तो मैंने इंतजाम करना, तो मैं फिर अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन के जो हमारे लाइन मेंबर भी हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरपर्सन भी हैं वहाँ पे, और नेशनल डायरेक्टर हैं मियाँ बाबर अली साहब, उनसे रब्ता किया। वो मुझे लेके प्रेसिडेंट फौरन चले गए अपने खिदमत फाउंडेशन के शूर साहब से मिलाया। उन्होंने बहुत हौसला अफजाई की, उन्होंने ना सिर्फ इज़हार भाई हम जो है कंटेनर क्लियर कराएंगे, बल्कि हम इंशाल्लाह डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में आपका भरपूर ताउन करेंगे। तो उनका भी बड़ा शुक्रिया था कि जब आप वहाँ पे 2 कंटेनर पहुँचे तो 2-3 दिन में वो क्लियर हो गए। हमने वहाँ फिर कोयटा में, बलूचिस्तान में डेरा बाली और सिंध में सांगड़ में जाकर तकसीम की। उसके बाद 4 कंटेनर उन्होंने और भेज दिए। वो हमने फिर केपी में अपर दीर, लोअर दीर और पंजाब, साउथ पंजाब में राजनपुर और कौंसा शरीफ वगैरह वहाँ तकसीम किए। 6 कंटेनर उन्होंने और भेज दिए। फिर हम वहाँ से चले गए, गलगित में चले गए, कोयटा में चले गए, फिर ठट्ठा में चले गए, फिर इन्होंने 6 और भेज दिए। फिर हम वहाँ पे दूसरी जगह फिर इसी तरह पाकिस्तान में बाकी जो इलाके रहते थे, अल्लाह के फजल करम से 18 कंटेनर हमने अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन के तावन से वहाँ पे तकसीम की, और इनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। इन्होंने पहुँचाया तो हमने हमें काम करने का मौका मिला। और आइंदा भी इंशाल्लाह ताला इन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी मीटिंग उनसे करवाई, जिन्होंने यहाँ से मारफानी में भेजा, वहाँ पे देखा 25 कंटेनर माशाल्लाह इस साल में जो सर्दियों से पहले इंशाल्लाह पहुँचेंगे। हम उससे पहले अरेंजमेंट कर लेंगे। वहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि वहाँ पे जो हमने सर्वे करके वहाँ पे अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन के साथ हर घर में गए हैं, वहाँ पे डाटा किया है, कितने बंदे फैमिली के हैं, 6 हैं, 4 हैं, उतने पैकेट बनाए हैं। फिर एक जगह टाइम दे दिया 500 बंदों का, 700 जो भी था। अब वहाँ पे आके उनको सारा वहाँ पे रख के उनको बैठा के टोकन देते थे, उनको स्टाम्प कार्ड लेके वो टोकन से सारे वो आते थे। वो जो ले जाते थे, जो फर्द करो नहीं 10-20 बंदे पहुंचे या 50, तो उनके घरों में हमने अल्लाह के फजल में पहुंचाया। फिर जो बाकी सामान बचता था, फिर हम उसको ये करते थे कि वहाँ पे स्कूल में जाके बच्चों के कोई 6वीं, 7वीं, 8वीं, 10वीं क्लास में या 3वीं, 4वीं, वो सब अलग अलग कपड़े करते थे, करके उनको कहते थे अपनी मर्जी से उठा के लेकर।
Lot of changes. Every day we are connected 24 hours. He was checking me whether I am asleep, he will find me waking. When I call him, he pick up 1 minute. In minute-to-minute report, the greatness of my God, we started from 2 containers. And they started performing. They did everything. I was just talking, they are physically involved. They collected the stuff, they distributed, separated, and they make it happen. Still, yesterday and today, we are distributing in Balochistan. He is from Balochistan, he connected us to Balochistan. High-ups, those people are. And we collaborated, they delivered them half container load with their supervisor. And they are distributed. He sent me yesterday 1 full photo and films. So you see how God works. It's not you or me works. So things happen, mashallah, and he's our hero. And I wish him to stay with me, and so I can go and cruise, because he can work both in me. So this is what happened. And day before yesterday, I visited our warehouse again. So my donor said, I have 26 containers ready, and I want to ship it. And you have to do it. 26 container means, so again maybe $2 million stuff. He will pay the freight, he will separate the stuff, he will improve the shipment system, he will improve the shipment items according to the wishes of the people in Pakistan. 26 containers. So you will not be able to sleep in Pakistan. No maintenance. And my team will be here. So we are so proud. This is what the bottom line, that he is with us. The visitors came from Pakistan. I connected them to the medical bridges in America. They are one of the biggest collector of hospital equipments. They collect used and new equipments. They refurbish, they certify and distribute to developing countries. They have 50 hospitals of one Al Khidmat, and their lines have so many. And he is doing eye surgery at the doorstep. Cataract, glaucoma, and you see the cornea transplantation. This is the biggest and free. So I was discussing with that I can arrange one mobile bus, fully equipped, latest model. It cost maybe $2 million. But I told them that come here, I'll arrange for you. And we started working on it. Luckily, they all came here. We spent 1 full day with the medical bridges. They stayed since morning, welcoming them. They gave them the warm welcome. They are going to sign a memo of understanding. They will provide Lions will provide the list of the items, medical equipment and supplies to them. Al-Khidmat will supply and they will make it ship. They may charge freight, they may charge some administrative charges, but millions of dollars will start moving to the country where it is needed. We have no money, we are poor country, we are developing country. We have people who can't even have food for 2-3 days. So, this is the change started from the day you came with me today. And now, I'm telling you that where it is going. When we were in process, you, me and brother were in the godown and we were thinking that this is what we have to ship to Pakistan. And we were wondering what to do. You know, there's a lot of bureaucratic process has to be gone. We need to have proper permission to collect the stuff. We need to have a proper paperwork and authority to send it to the country. And we must have some people who are already authorized to receive. So we visited, me, governor and all, visited our godown. And they've been amazed, man, it was huge godown. We spent almost one day. They offered us a lunch to my donor's godown. And from there, we were thinking that how to dispatch. Who will pay? We don't have money. We have to pay freight. We don't have any authority at the moment. We have to submit our proposal. And time was running. And my donor every night told me, man, I can't sleep. And I don't want to give that stuff to anybody else in here. I only want you because I trust you. That is a blessing. So he said, I want you to do it. If you'll not do it, I'll not do it. And we were in process. In the meantime, I contacted, he reached to me, Shafiq Bhai. He's the senior most. I will not say any word about him. He will tell. And he came to me, we talked, and he connected me to the people in Pakistan, brother Desi, Farooq Desi, and he talked to many people. And I was in process. His son-in-law is like a son to me. He's coming and helping me. He's from the community. And his father-in-law, his son-in-law.
Award is presented to Lion Izhar Ahmed, EMGF, this is his organization, Director Lahore Host Lion Club, and District Chairperson 305 N1, Pakistan. They express our deep appreciation and for the outstanding leadership and the great humanitarian service you provided in distribution of our donated warm cloth shipment amount of flood victims in all over Pakistan during our Pakistan flood relief activity 2022-2023. Signed by Lion Mahmood Marfani, CEO of Marfani Foundation, dated June 16, 2023.
Receive it, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, sir. Sit down. Take the photo. And you see, this is small token. We don't collect money. We don't have money. But we have the...
Lobbying for Muslims. We want July to be a Muslim Heritage Month in the United States. And we want combating Islamophobia. And third one is very important. There's a watch list we can watch on our airports and Masjid, the Muslim, the Muhammad, the Sheikh, the Ali. We want to remove this list. So we went to lobbying in Washington, D.C. This is a symbolic pin over there. I bring one for my friend Izhar Ahmed. And one for my mentor, where I learned from everything for community service, Mr. Mahmood Marfani.
I'm honored. This is the first pin I received. Thank you, man. He's like my right hand. Okay? Mashallah, I'm so blessed. Zakia and Aisha and many. This lady, you know, she's hiding. Azeb Yusuf. She's with me since last 30 years. One of the genius, volunteer, healthcare in my right hand. We'll introduce her.
And we need some new blood to come work for Marfani Foundation. We have just new volunteer here. We have some few sitting over there. And anybody want to work.
So tomorrow you will see these young chaps. लगाने हैं ना अभी हमको लगाने अभी. So still we have a lot of gifts for our lions. So I'll step out. I'll let. Azeb. This is for Rahman Patel. Mashallah. Thank you, sir. Emmy. Raise our
Then we have Lion Shirley Ragasa.
Please. Yes, you need large or extra large?
XL.
No, I mean,
XL is better. There you go. Thank you. Our Vice President, Lion Rose Reyes.
thank you for coming. So honored. You are my family, man. Extra large? Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Aisha,
Miss Guyana, Lion.
your size?
One of the newest members.
Oh, great. You're welcome on board. This is small, eh?
Medium.
We bring everything. We are professional, man. We have never talked about it.
We have another new member. Another new member, Lion Zakia Ahmed. Soon they will be inducted. Yes.
You got them all at online, right?
Yes.
Fly over here.
कितने हैं बाकी?
Thank you. And we have Lion Aisha.
Aisha, dubli patli medium. वो कर ले. अच्छा.
So he will go home with the pin of the Houston Royal Oak Science Club.
Thank
And
you.
also, we have a little something for you. I hope you remember us by when you go home. I shouldn't be opening. You should be then open it.
Open it, भाई मैं सांप निकलेगा.
Open it. I hope I have the music.
I know what is inside.
Beautiful.
I made it last night. You're right. Just kidding. Excellent. So he can put all of his pins inside. Oh, that's great. And another special pin that I want to give him, the founder's pin, Lion Melvin Jones, who founded the Lions Club in 1917.
इधर लगा. Why don't you put it here? Front line.
And what did he say? You will not go very far
Until you start helping others.
until you start helping other people. And this is what all of us lions are doing. But what he did to his people during the calamity is exceptional, and we want
Let
to
me help you.
give this special pin to Lion Ishar Ahmed. And oh my God!
How many? One for him?
Because yours is very special.
Yeah. Great, Baba. Open it, Baba. I will receive.
And this is from all our love from your Houston Royal Oaks Lions Family District 2S2 and B2 Texas, USA. Can you open?
MashaAllah. Great. Great.
Because he is in a journey.
Oh.
So now he can put a star in every state that he will visit. Hopefully, in his lifetime, he'll be able to visit all.
Oh. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, everybody sit down. Now line in me here. Some presentation for a minute and then we will go for
Royal Oaks Lions, please stay.
Lines, come on, don't go.
Let's surround Lion Ishar Ahmed. Everybody stay.
Everybody contributes in the way they can. I hope the people who are not lions have seen the heart of lions. And we see your heart because you're here. Service is an amazing thing that brings everyone together. Pakistan, thank you. Thank all the Lions of Pakistan, from the Lions of Texas, for the service that they provide. It's a friendship that I hope will keep going, and a friendship that I hope expands. I want to thank, again, the humble Mahmood. Blind Mahmood has done amazing things. If he says he doesn't do anything but connect people, well, that's what the electrician does too. He connects the wires. Maybe I'm the nut that he needed to put some of those connections together. But the connections that he has made, the connections that we all have experienced, the connections we will continue.
अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मज़ीद बाखबर रहने के लिए देखते रहें देसी टीवी USA।